Hello everyone and welcome back to another exciting episode of Chintu ke Saath Dekho India. Today we are discovering Ellora Caves, the temples of Bharat. This Ellora Cave is located in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. We are discovering the 16th number cave which has the Kailash temple which makes outstanding across the world. It left future generations simply astonished at the ambition, the achievement, the refinement and the elegance of the people that built it. It's a rock cut marvel with no equals. There was no stone brought for constructing this temple. This temple was not built by aliens. This temple was constructed from a huge mountain. It's nothing but a monolithic rock. This mountain was chipped from top to bottom, from outwards to inwards. This huge marvelous architecture was constructed by the Rashtrakuta dynasty who was ruling the Deccan part of India. This ancient marble was crafted from the massive structure out of single hill of basalt rock. This temple astonishes everyone and it's one of the India's great wonders in the world. Do you imagine 2 lakh tons of stone, 5 to 6 generations in making and more than 2000 plus craftsmen? These people are not a normal people. These people were blessed to make this marvelous architecture. This architecture was recognized by the UNESCO World Heritage. You know what? Any spot you take in this temple, you will realize that there is a story. There are Devis, there are Devtas, and you can see the Mahabharata and Ramayana has been carved on the stone. Such a magnificent architecture has been built by the Rashtrakuta dynasty. We are standing in front of a cave number 16, which is Kailashnath temple, where Lord Shiva is placed in the north direction, where when you arpan a jal, it flows towards the right direction in the north, towards Kailash. This is unimaginable. This is temples of Bharat. This temple is 300 feet long and 175 feet wide. There are several mandapas surrounding the main Garbhagriha. Everything is logically placed with science, right from the mystical creatures to the Tridevs, from the Shaktas to the Bhairavs. Everything is here. You know what? Everything is aligned in a perfect manner. And you know what? They were using the compass or not, it's a mystery. But this is a marvel. This is a magnificent architecture. If you are an history buff, you need to visit this Ellora Caves. Thanks for watching Chintu ke Saath Dekho India.